Okay, so in today's video, we will learn that how you can clear an object or person with just one click like this without even using Adobe Photoshop. So let's learn about that, how you can remove any object or any person, okay, like this. So first of all, go to Chrome and right here, clean up dot pictures and press enter. Here you can see this website, and here you can drag any image or file for which you want to remove any object or any person. So I will just simply drag my or I will just simply select my file. So I have selected my image, and after that we got this option. This is an SD image. Upgrade to Pro to keep the original quality, or downscale to continue for free. So we will continue with SD because we don't need like very high resolutions. So we'll continue to SD. And now you can see that we have the image and we want to remove this person. So just simply increase the size of the brush and then select this person with this brush tool. And within just seconds you will see that the person is removed from the image like this. You didn't have to select any uh, tool or any object like you do in Photoshop. Simply we did remove by just one click. So how's that video for you? Or if you did learn something from this video, like you know that I have earned a lot of clients by just removing backgrounds or removing objects from the images. So this AI tool helps me a lot, and it can also help you a lot. Like if there is a client who is not paying enough, so you just have to one click and it will automatically remove the object from your image. So that's a very beneficial tool for you. So I hope that it will help you in future, and you will do a lot of beneficial work from this tool. So if this will help you, so further subscribe my channel and support me by liking the video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Okay, take care. Bye.